0.9 volts.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. Battery number 2 is good. Okay, between these two, there's 1.18 volts. So,
It should say 12 volts, over 12 volts once it's done, fully charged.
yeah,
What was that blue stuff on there?
corrosion.
So these batteries, the crystals, were gone?
I guess so. Okay, now then, we'll just put this on to charge, these two, and we'll check back on them later. Alright, let me show you what we got going on here. So, this morning, first, you know it's charged when this light comes on. This means it's charging, this means it's charged, and it's just maintaining, okay? And when I came out this morning to look, this was on, which means this battery, it said, was fully charged. Now,
I mean, that battery didn't need a lot of power.
it did. Okay, so. Alright. Okay, so.
I'll be right here looking at it.
Yeah. Alright, so it showed that it was fully charged.
I'll look on the camera instead.
No, here, right here. It's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on this. And when we test it, we see it's 5.87 volts. Now,
That
fully charged
would be 6 volts.
would be a little more than 6 volts. Would be more than 6 volts. So it's nearly fully charged.
Good.
Yeah. So this battery is good. We'll play with it some more, but we've got all these others to test. So, for now, we're just going to put this one on to charge, and we'll check it after school.
How about we just hook it up
No.
to another battery and then...
Well, I'm just going to put it on to charge, and then after school, we'll set it up so we can charge 2 at a time. Okay? Because I got to do some stuff with the cables. All right?
Okay.
Here we go.
Well, I guess we'll see once we're done.
So one battery is good.
And that was the best battery that we have.
All right. So now we need this. This.
Oh, now I know what you're gonna do.
And this.
Can I put the baking soda in?
And this. I'm going to show you how.
Ooh, you got the brush?
I found the brush. Yeah, I knew I had one somewhere. Okay, so
Ugh.
this regular old
Wood sheet.
baking soda.
I just gotta open it.
Here. Dump that in.
The whole thing?
No, just start pouring slowly.
Okay. Is that enough water?
Yeah. Going. More. Hold on. Mix it up. Do you know why we're using baking soda?
Why?
Because baking soda neutralizes battery acid.
What does that mean?
It means it makes it so it's not acid anymore.
Want more?
No. Actually, that's good.
How come it's white?
Because the baking soda's white.
What does baking soda do to to bake.
It does lots of things. You can use it for lots of stuff. As far as baking goes, I don't know. That's your area of expertise. All right. So, to neutralize battery
I
acid,
do the paintbrush.
I'm going to show you here. Let me see that. You're going to do this, all right? This is what you do. You take this, you swish it around a bit, all right? And at the bottom, there's like a paste. If you go like this, you get a little bit on the brushes. You see it right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we need the paste?
Maybe, maybe not. The nice thing is we can always add more if we want. Okay, but you take this and you start brushing it on. Alright, see how it works?
Oh my gosh, that worked fast. Can I do it now?
You see? You gotta get everywhere there's a little crevice, alright? So we can clean all this up. And you see how it's doing that?
Yeah.
That's how you know it's working on the acid.
Well,
Alright?
how come I can't just scrub it? Can I?
Well, just put some up there and scrub it up.
Oh, this one needs some more in there.
Wow, this is really screwed up.
Hey, get it. You just made a joke.
That is funny. But do you know why we can get away with spraying this stuff into the yard? Because acid is bad for the environment. Did you know that?
It is?
Well, yeah.
But it's not acid anymore. It's not.
That's right. That's why we can get away with doing this. Because whatever goes onto the ground, water-wise, or even chemical-wise, is ends up in our water supply. No matter where you live.
You mean this could end up in Canada?
Our water supply, not Canada's water supply.
I think they did pretty good on cleaning it up.
Yeah. But the real issue is if we have stuff that goes into the water supply, we could be contaminating our water supply. We don't want to do that, right?
Yeah. And this is making
But
But
Because
they do
we
make
did,
sure it's good.
because we did the baking soda, it cleans the acid, it neutralizes it, makes it so it's not acid anymore.
Like,
This
oh,
one
Does it not go in our water supply? Is you ready?
goes out here.
Okay, I'm gonna start spraying it. What one should I use? The same one?
Yeah, just don't squeeze it fully. Go ahead. Oh wait. Go ahead.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. You can use a little more water pressure.
That much?
Yeah, just try not to let it get on you. Yeah, you got it.
I've seen worse, but it's done. It's done.
Okay, hold on. What we're going to do is we're going to put some Epsom salt in each cell, right? Then we're going to I'm going to shake them up.
Shake the batteries?
Yeah, just to help it mix a little bit. And then we're going to check the voltage again. And then we're going to set them up and charge them.
Set them up so it can charge it too. Okay, let's charge two of the good ones.
Alright, but first, the Epsom salt.
How many volts do you think it will take to start the lights?
I don't know how much.
Like 12 volts to start the lights up?
What we can do, oh, that's not good enough. Oh, we're not going to get enough out of it. Okay. Oh,
I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna open it, okay?
yeah, open it up.
Let's see how it smells.
You don't think it'll smell like anything?
Oh, it smells like salt.
It is.
This is salt?
Kind of. Okay.
This side looks like it's gonna explode with salt.
Oh, wait. Already? Yeah, phew. Battery's done. Alright, come here. Reach in there. Gotta kind of hold it like this, but you get a spoonful like this. We're gonna put, I'll hold this part. Oh,
No.
Hold on, wait. You're making a mess.
Sorry. Ow. That's tight.
Alright. Hold on.
Oh. That's gonna be a lot more easy.
take our light and get a closer look in there. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of foggy. You can look into each one. You can see some in that one still.
Why did someone come down here?
But she's doing stuff. Alright, bud, you looking in these?
You looking at them?
Are you looking at them?
I'm really looking at them.
All of them?
Yeah.
You see how this one's already pretty much clear now? The salt's already absorbed.
So the two batteries that are good we can probably turn on the lights and at least start it.
No, buddy, it doesn't start. Okay.
Why does it need a key then?
To keep people from stealing it. Alright, now, what's going to happen next?
Next we shake them up.
You want to shake one?
How? I guess I'll try to pick up
Hey,
one.
why don't you start putting these caps on? Here, I'll show you how they work.
I see you have to.
Okay, start it up. Did you get that? Got a little bit of a spill of acid. It's worth noting that number one positive terminal leaks.
How did that leak?
Oh, it's just the battery is old. The plastic casing around it looks like it's gotten a little messed up. Okay. Now, just out of curiosity, let's see how our voltages are doing. Okay, battery 1, what's the voltage? Or you read me the voltage. What did we write down? Battery 1.
5.76.
No change. Battery 2.
1.56.
1.57.
0.1 volts up.
0.01, a 100th of a volt change.
Number
Okay.
3.
Number 3.
5.76.
No change. Alright, number 4.
Number 4. 0.66.
0.71. So 4/500ths of a volt increase already. And number 5.
Number 5. 0.19.
No change. And number 6.
Number 6. 0.27.
0.28. So 100th of a volt change. Alright, now let's get set up to charge. Parallel. Series. We're going to hook them up in series. So we're going to hook up positive of one to the negative of the next. Two 6-volt batteries become one 12-volt battery.
But it would be nice if we could just hook the
Yeah, really.
36-volt charger and just hook up one and then it charges all of them at once.
Well, we have a 36-volt charger, the one that came with the golf cart. But we haven't we want to make sure the batteries are good before we worry about trying to use that one. So now we're going to check to make sure that we're getting about what we would expect volt-wise.
Do the 2 big batteries first.
No, I got them set up however they are here. So negative here to positive here. So battery 1 was 576 and 2 156. So that means 2. I'm too. You're in the way of the camera.
Nope.
I'm too old for math. All right, so these two together should be 2, 10, 12, 13, 6, 7. 732 volts. And there's probably a little bit of loss. Oh, exactly. 732 volts. All right, so 1 and 2 have been paired. 3 and 4 have been paired. So we have 2, 12, 13, 14, 5. So we should have 642 on 3 and 4. And we got 645. 645. And 5 and 6. 14, 15, 16, 3. 5 and 6 are not our prized ones at under a half a volt combined. Let's see. And 0.47 actually. So, okay. Now we have our baseline. Okay. We know what they do. We put the Epsom salt in. We paired them, so we have 3 12-volt batteries now. So now we put them on the charge.